Hi and welcome back to the channel bafethu. So njengoba nazi it's game on lapha naphakathi kwaMasibushi baNowendi. So there's a loan shark business war, or should I say fight, between those two women. So it's bad, it's hectic bafethu. Njengoba nje nibona lapho Stapi abavakashela uWendi to go and check up on uWendi regarding the situation, but ke uWendi she claims ukuthi she's ready. Kanti ngalena vele uMasibushi has got her own taser. Nowendi has got her own taser. But ke uStapia are saying that i-taser kamaWendi kaMasibushi, I mean, it's the older version of Amataser. So I angasabi lutho, you understand. So these people are laughing it off ke yabona. So I can't wait to see ukuthi how does it unfold between Masibushi and Nowendi. On the other side, they refer to the Tabete family, but excluding Unobuhle, want to sacrifice Ishmael to go to Revelation Records. So yabona lapha ukuthi uFelicia noBonko have already agreed ukuthi okay, this is what they are doing. But ke uNobuhle had to step in to come and defend Ishmael, telling them ukuthi they can't sacrifice Ishmael, because if they do, she is no longer gonna want to share a legacy Tabete family regarding Genesis Records. Understand that? Because she is actually protecting Ishmael, and I understand why Nobuhle is actually protecting Ishmael, because obviously they're in a relationship, yabona, so she'd do anything to defend yabona her boyfriend and whatsoever. So it seems as if the decision is actually folded, yabona. It's done and dusted, yabo. But on the other side, Gelapano Gabriel has invited Ishmael over for breakfast regarding the deal of signing under a Revelation Records. So Gabriel has actually convinced Ishmael ukuthi azosayina ne-Revelation, because Gabriel was the one who made Ishmael and was the one who discovered Ishmael, you understand. But Ishmael was appreciative about the matter ukuthi discover Gabriel, and he actually thanked Gabriel for that, you understand, and appreciated Gabriel and gave him his credits for that ukuthi ukube engayena uGabriel ngabe uIshmael manje usahlupheka, but because of Gabriel ubonile italente sign under Genesis. Now it's time for him to come back home, of which is Revelation. Fortunately, Ishmael did not agree to the offer. You understand? It came to my surprise ukuthi Ishmael was that brave to tell Gabriel ukuthi I saw zenze ngaleyo nto ukuthi yena record album yakhe yesibili lapha ne-Revelation, because he is happy lapha ne-Genesis. He's receiving everything that he wants. He's getting good treatment. His artistry is very good lapha ne-Genesis, so it won't happen, you understand. So igcine nje kanjalo yabona, but it was like uGabriel was forcefully like wanting Ishmael to come to Revelation. So moving on, the family yapana Zachariah, the saving family yabona. So Zachariah came up with something. So the guy came up with something regarding this loan shark business yakwaWendi, ukuthi asize uWendi ukuthi alikhuphule ibhizinisi lakhe and actually elevate her business into greater heights. So this guy came on the list of people's names, about people who are under government, who are hired, who are actually working and employed. So I think nakhona Zachariah also wanted to work with imali kaWendi, not his money, because remember guys, Zachariah sold out Maruna, sold out Mpumi for 100k that had to come from ifamily kaHlophe. So uWendi was clever about it. She was intelligent regarding that. Okay, now you coming back because uyabona ukuthi okay, there's a vacancy and it's open enough for them both to work on, but when they don't operate with Zachariah, Zachariah has to actually put out his own money, yabona, if he wants to actually do this thing. But it just confused me, yabona ukuthi okay, sharp, these people had an agreement with Zachariah is gonna fetch customers, but when Zachariah has those customers, you understand that it's like Zachariah is now greedy for imali kaWendi, and Wendi was too actually like smart to see it, but Wendi did not allow that. Instead, utshela Zachariah ukuthi uzosebenza ngeyakhe imali, not eyakhe uWendi. So on the other side there bafethu, it's back to the lovers, yabona, uMpumi noGabriel bahleli under one roof. So Gabriel is tired, very exhausted regarding this beef or this argument and this cat fight that Mpumi has with her own sister uMaruna. So Gabriel beyikhuza lento ukuthi abayeke ukulwa labantu laba in order for i-revelation ukuthi iqhubeke isebenze kahle and be in good operational books or good operational situations. They have to stop fighting. I understand that because it's unnecessary, yabo, because uGabriel is visioning ubasetsana uMaruna and also uIshmael under one roof Revelation Records, you understand. So Mpuma was surprised ukuthi Gabriel is serious about it, but he is. So uyabakhuza uGabriel ukuthi abaye ukulwa in order for them to actually work well laphana Revelation Records. So on the other side ke bafethu Ishmael uyahamba uyazi-expressa laphana kuSifiso uMafitso yabona, telling uMafitso ukuthi he had a meeting noGabriel and emtshela ukuthi angeke aze aye Revelation Records. He is good lapha Genesis Records, you understand. Like Genesis Records made him the guy he is today, you understand. So he appreciates the work and the efforts that Genesis Records have put on him, the treatment I told you. But Nobuhle comes in there uyakhala yabo, simply because Genesis and the Tabete family want to sign Ishmael out and sell him or sign him out to Revelation Records, you understand. And they unobuhle kumphatha kabi ke lokho ukuthi her own family wants to sign out Ishmael to Revelation Records. And ke Ishmael uyasho ukuthi that will never happen, yabona. He is happy lapha Genesis. He will not sign out to Revelation Records because he is scared ukuthi Gabriel will do what he did when he was still at the Genesis, when Gabriel was still old Genesis emshaya laphana Ishmael, because Gabriel used to actually like beat Ishmael in order for Ishmael to take his orders. So Ishmael ukuthi that will never happen. And uyashumafitsa ukuthi if ever there's something yabona they have to do with or have to discuss with Tabete family, they will have to, but Ishmael akayindawo. So the cat fight begins ke laphana between ke Wendy no Zakaria regarding the loan shark business thing. And on the other side bafethu, now it's time, you understand, because Ishmael came there to convince and beg uFelicia ukuthi angamhambisi to Revelation Records because he wants to stay laphana and actually contribute more for Genesis. But ke uFelicia bafethu was one woman who could not be that convinced, that one, because it seemed as if vele banobonko have already made this decision yabo ukuthi uyahamba uIshmael. So Ishmael kept on apologizing regarding his relationship with Nobuhle. If that was the case, why they think or he thinks ukuthi Revelation is releasing him, he kept on apologizing. Okay, if it's about Nobuhle, he apologizes, but he wants to stay upon Genesis because uphatheke kahle and he does everything that Genesis tells him to do. Uyafika kuma-rehearsal early. He works well with the artists. Even if the other artists are striking, he is always there and he's always faithful and loyal to Genesis. And he'd do anything ukuthi afane lapha Genesis aqhubeke lapha na icula abe artist le ayiyona, because Genesis gives good provision. So Ishmael begged Felicia and begged Ubonko ukuthi asale, yabona, but these guys seemed like they already made up their minds, yabona, which is kind of sad and strange. But the good news is when Gabriel Gabriel was trying to actually like also convince Ishmael ukuthi assign a contract and leave Genesis to Revelation Records. But unfortunately Ishmael leaving Genesis did not happen because Ubonko fought back, you understand, when Gabriel wanted Ishmael to come and make him sign the contract. Ubonko intercepted by defending Ishmael, you understand. Ishmael akayendawo okwenzeka afile lokho. So I'm surprised ukuthi Felicia was actually like surprised about the whole thing, because I think she wanted to make a truce by sacrificing Ishmael, which is kind of strange, honestly. You understand, how can you make a truce in the enemy yako by sacrificing one of your good artists to a villain? So it was a battle between Ubonko and Gabriel, you understand. Gabriel tried to actually sign Ishmael, but it didn't work out. And I can see Ishmael was very happy. He was very happy to hear ukuthi akasayindawo, we understand. So bafethu kuphuma ama-taser la, yabo nje wena ngoba edlala ngale taser kangaka, something bad is gonna happen, yabona. There's danger coming, regarding that taser, because the way she's actually holding that taser against uZakaria manje regarding this loan shark business of hers, hey, it's putting everyone's life at risk. So Masibushi has come from this for the second time. Useze wesibili Masibushi lapha eneza kuwenti. Understand, uzotshela uwenti emonisha ukuthi akaphume kwibhizinisi le-loan shark because she is the queen that is known. Ngoba ngishilo ke bafethu, le taser lena izongena izofaka abantu ezinkingeni ngempela, and it did. So uWendy ke yabona was actually arguing no Masibushi, and unfortunately ungenise i-taser, I think around her tummy, you understand, towards Masibushi's body, you understand, and you could hear ikhala i-taser, and leyo taser elalise uMasibushi phansi. As you can see laphana in the picture, Masibushi is now laying down on the floor because of i-taser kaWendy, yabona. And ngoba ngishilo guys, le taser izofaka uWendy enkingeni, you understand. uWendy mayithi uyabheka, hayi, she is thinking she is done, but at the same time usevuka ama-regrets ukuthi hebona nangu umuntu engasaphefumuli, you understand. She's laying down on the floor Masibushi bafethu, and it doesn't seem as if like lo muntu uyaphefumula. It seems as if lo muntu ulimale ngempela, but I can't wait to actually see how it unfolds ukuthi umbulele uWendy ajeze, Wendy get punished for her doings, yabona. Finally get punished, because Wendy has been chaos. She is a stubborn mother. And on the other side ke bafethu ke, I see revelation ihlangana noMaruna. So Maruna has approached to Gabriel umtshela ukuthi yena she wants a new composer. She wants a new composer, yabona. Ufuna umuntu omusha ozombhalela ingoma, you understand. And uGabriel akayizwa into leyo. Gabriel keeps on insisting ukuthi uMpumi is the rightful person for the job that can write songs for Maruna. She is the perfect composer lapha Revelation. Akambona omunye umuntu ngaphandle kwaMpumi. So uMpumi is no way ungeke azahamba indawo, you understand. And speak of the devil, besakhuluma ngoMpumi, uyafika kuMpumi with her short shirts, I think Gabriel, I think it was a short dress or something like that, but ubonakale umuntu ophuma lapha embhedeni. So my bega lapha Maruna, she is actually shocked, and Gabriel is kind of happy about it. He doesn't care about what Maruna is actually seeing, because it seems as if Maruna did not know Uti Umpumi is actually sleeping with Gabriel, and they're actually in a relationship, they are dating or some sort. Because remember guys, Gabriel was the father of Maruna's child, and Maruna was the mother of Gabriel's child, Upila Loashon. So Maruna is actually shocked to see Utebo, the father of her deceased child or her late child, is now sleeping with her own sister. It does not make sense, you understand. So hey, let me know what you think is gonna happen, guys, on the next episode, because it keeps elevating La Power Genesis. I love this show very much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.